Hello friends, welcome back in one more video, and today we are going to discuss to, in order to, so as to, as to. All four are very crucial from sentence correction point of view, but they have confusion too. Remember, all are used as a preposition, but to is used in general sense. On the other hand, in order to, so as to, and as to are used in literary sense. Now, remember to, in order to, and so as to are used with verb. So these words are used before verb, and the reason of using is to show purpose. On the other hand, as to is used with clause, and the sense of as to will be about or relating. Look at an example. To, everyone learns rules to understand. So to plus verb, that is called understand, and now it's very clear, it shows purpose. Everyone makes notes to remember. Why making notes? To remember, and the use is to plus verb. In order to, one eats food in order to live. Again, why? To show purpose. One collects information in order to use. Again, the reason is was to use. Remember, in sentence correction, to is preferred in place of in order to. So when there are two options, one is with to, one is with in order to, so the two will be preferred. Look at an example of so as to. I went early so as to get the front seat. Now it's very clear, the reason to get seat. He raised hand so as to answer. So why he raised hand? Just to answer. So here again it is a purpose. Remember, in sentence correction, so as to is not preferred. So look an example, as to. I was not certain as to which road leads. As to plus clause, and here the meaning of as to is about. I'm not sure as to when class may start. Again here as to is used with clause and the sense is about. Remember, as to is different from so as to, but in sentence correction, as to is not preferred. So in all four words, to is preferred and they are given secondary chance or last chance. I hope you got the sense of these things. If you liked, please do write something in comments, and yeah, like, subscribe and share. Thank you for your patience.